So by understanding what you've learned today is being aware that the first pass is catching this trigger. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Catching this trigger. Catching what's reacting first. Then understanding what lens we're going to be looking through. Because sometimes in decision making, as you get more advanced, you can take this same trigger and look at it from a different worldview. Okay, what does this look like if I was to step into the 8 part of me? Yeah? And look at it from a fairness, unfairness point of view. And that helps in our integration. What would it happen if I looked at it through this response or reaction through the heart part of me? Yeah? Understanding how the other styles work through. Or from this point of view, what would happen if I actually looked at it through certainty, uncertainty lens? So we can actually use in our decision making the other lenses to look at it from a different perspective. And that leads to our integration.
Wow,
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. There's so many options, one head. Yeah.
There's one head, but you've got to be aware that you'll always tend to dominate.
Yeah.
If we're not being aware, we'll tend to dominate down one path, and that's why you see behaviours of people, and once you get to know people, and if they're not aware of their behaviours, you'll see them responding in the same way.
Yeah.
To the stage where you can actually make them respond in whatever way you want to make them respond. Just press the right button.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just do that.
And that's how we react.
Find out their triggers.
You find the triggers. You find that they're triggers, you know where the triggers, you know the lens that they're looking through, and do it. But also you can connect with them. Yeah? And you can connect with them through that and work back and find out what the stimulus was. Like when I was talking about anger. You know, the reaction was anger. We worked through, we found out that the stimulus wasn't me, it was just the way that the anger came through. And we can work it, and we then do it the other way. So this is the way to do it. The way to remember it is a STAR, S-T-A-R-R, STAR. Stimulus, trigger, appraisal, response, and reaction. That's why it's worth knowing how you operate, but when we're talking about working with other people, how other people operate.